Where's the system? Yeah.
Gonna beat that peg up.
Egg going in.
We need the chicken. Where's the chicken teriyaki? Oh, ribbons. Just dump the whole thing in.
Here's soy sauce.
Alright, soy sauce.
There's scallions in there.
There is scallion.
Oh, the egg. Where'd the egg go?
Yeah, we send you that. That's like the last part to do.
Damage.
Oh,
Oh.
really?
Oh, baby.
Oh.
baby.
It's going into the drain. Uh-oh. We needed to create like a little wall or something. I think half the egg went down the drain.
Yeah.
All right, we need another one.
Yeah.
We need
Scramble
a.
it on the grill.
You asked him to be in there too.
It's just to block out the egg.
Yeah.
I guess. Put this up.
Is one egg enough? Where's the bacon?
Actually, this is some mac.
Some kimchi. Kimchi fried rice.
Ooh, kimchi.
With the pork belly.
Wait, so crazy.
Okay, round.
Round 2.
I think it's basically done. I'm not sure either of those. It turned out